Hi guys, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing and speed test of this WD Elements SE 1TB external hard drive. Wow, that's a mouthful. Inside the box we have the external hard drive itself, which is 1TB in size. We have the USB cable and an instruction manual. This also comes with a 2-year limited warranty. My current external hard drive is a 256GB Samsung T3 that is powered by USB-C, and I do all my long-term editing on there, which is useful for freeing up your computer's hard drive. Being a Mac user, I'll have to format it to exFAT due to the file size restrictions of FAT32, and also to ensure I can use it to transfer files between Windows and Mac computers. I'm also going to do a read test to see the read and write speeds off the actual hard drive using the original cables. However, I'll be better off using a new USB-C cable instead. See, the read and write speeds are around 118 megabytes for write and 118 megabytes for read, so roughly about the same sort of speed. It does peak at 120, 118, but roughly around the same speeds for reading and writing. I'm now going to plug in the USB micro to USB-C and see if there's any difference in the numbers. So as you can see, there's not much of a difference when you compare the USB-C to the USB-A type of cable. So for me, the WD speeds are kind of irrelevant considering that I do all of my editing on the Samsung SSD there. The speeds for that are quite quick considering that I use it for all my video editing, but for all my master files and anything like that, I tend to save them on the external, the bigger hard drive, because I'm not too worried. That's probably just going to stay at home anyway. And that is it. Give it a like if this video has helped, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification button as well, so that way you'll be notified as soon as a video comes out every Monday. That is all for today guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.